I'm James Spann. This is the afternoon edition of the Weather Xtreme video. This is for Friday, May 21st. Another active day of convection around the state, but things are calming down on the weekend. We'll be downright hot. Hottest weather so far this year. We're talking potential for low 90s tomorrow and Sunday. Let's take a look at some of the Skycam shots this afternoon. First off from Birmingham. The air is cool and stable from the batch of storms that came through late this morning, so a little light rain next hour or so, but that'll be gone this evening. Now, down south, the air's pretty unstable down here. This is the Skycam down in Troy, and you can see a pretty good cumulus field where they've got 80s in progress, and they are under a severe thunderstorm watch down there. But way down south, Gulf Coast looks great. That's the Gulf Shore Skycam. The dynamic lift not involving them. They'll be great through the weekend with sunny days and fair nights. You can see a cloudless sky down there with hardly a soul on the beach. Hopefully the traffic and the tourism down there will pick up soon once school gets out. There you go. You can see the shortwave north of the state, the band of showers and storms stretching down into Alabama. And really, despite the fact that the better dynamic lift is north of the state, we've got some pretty healthy storms in progress in the unstable air. That's at 225. Now, again, for the Interstate 20 corridor, it's all rain cool. There's no severe weather threat. But down south, where the air is unstable, we've got a whopper of a storm that's just northwest of the city of Demopolis, dropping south and east, and severe thunderstorm warnings cover that region for parts of southern Hale, southern Greene, north Marengo, and eastern Sumter counties. That'll be blowing past Demopolis here within the next few minutes. Large hail and high wind potentially with that storm. And there's the deal. You can see Birmingham sitting at 69, so nice, cool, stable, no issues here. But Montgomery is 79, and down around Demopolis and Point South, they're in the 80s, and that's where the good pocket of instability is, and that's where those stronger storms will be. We've got a severe thunderstorm watch to the south and east of here that includes places like Montgomery, Roanoke, Eufaula, Columbus, Georgia, Macon, Albany, Georgia. And again, that's where there's some pretty decent instability values in through there. The overall risk includes a pretty good chunk of Alabama, but again, for where we are, Interstate 20, the risk is over. The risk extends north to Indiana and Ohio and down into parts of South Georgia and far eastern Mississippi, and also a slight risk for the western plains. Tomorrow, just a small slight risk for the Carolinas, also a risk up north, and on day 3, which is Sunday, slight risk of severe weather from Amarillo, Texas, up to near Madison, Wisconsin. Here's a look at the expected rain for the next 5 days. Now, this counts the rain we had this morning. This started at 7 o'clock, so quite frankly, most all of that is what came down today. The weather looks awfully dry for the weekend, and next week, just maybe a shower or two in spots, but probably not very many. Let's look at modeling. This is the 12Z GFS at 1 o'clock tomorrow. Shortwave moving northeast away from us, ridge beginning to build in response to the trough out west, and looks like a pretty quiet day. And I guess there might be a shower somewhere out there, but I just think the chance is so small, we don't even need to mention that. And we'll be up there close to 90 Sunday. How about low 90s? A good deal of sunshine, just like summertime. Monday of next week, same thing. Partly sunny, chance of a shower so small, don't even know if we need to mention that. We'll be up there close to 90, and really all week, the weather not changing a lot. There's Tuesday. The moisture does seem to be a little deeper, so that should knock highs back into the upper 80s and maybe a few scattered showers around. Same thing on Wednesday of next week, but certainly nothing widespread. Thursday, look at the ridge all over the east. Big trough out there on the west coast, but certainly underneath that thing, very much like summer. Highs up around 90, and again, any shower should be isolated in a week from today. Exact same deal. We'll check the end of the forecast, the 6th of June, 6-6. And this run shows a little trough coming through here. Look at that now. With the 588 bubble back over the southwest, that's trying to push a cold front down through here. But again, anytime we see front passages, even in early June, we always have to have our doubts about that, and that probably will change. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video today. We'll have notes on the blog. The next video here, my next video by 7 o'clock Monday morning, Brian Peters. We'll have the video updates both tomorrow and Sunday. Thanks for watching. Have a great weekend, and God bless.